Hello all. This is problem statement 5. In this, we need to write a program to determine whether a given number is prime or not. For this, we have given us with two test cases. For input 15, it should print not prime, and for input 17, it should print prime. So let us code. For this, I am initializing one variable by name int n, and then I am printing one statement on the console for the user. Enter the number and then cn n. Right now, I am initializing one more variable of Boolean data type is prime n is equals to initially I am storing true in it, and then I will make one for loop which will start with int I is equals to 2 and goes up till n by 2 for reducing the time complexity, and then I plus plus. Then I will check one condition that if n modulo I is completely divisible, then my is prime will be equal to false. And then I will check if my is prime is true, then in that condition print uh, print prime on the console, else print not prime. Right, so this is our code, so let us run it. Yes, for first input was 15. Yes, it is printing as not prime. And our second input was 17. It is printing as prime. Yes, so this is our code for printing the prime numbers.